I'm Brittany with WTI, and it is the time to get your gardens ready.
And I tried the 8x4 raised garden bed by DIIYIV. These were perfect for the open space we had next to our garden. It came with a set of 2 and all the needed pieces, gloves, the bolts, the nuts to really tighten everything up. The bars that go across really help with the stabilization also. And once you have one done, it doesn't take much to just get the other one ready, and you can now build an awesome garden. Clear out the ground underneath, put a net under to stop from any critters from getting to your delicious goodies that you plant here. I liked that it came with stakes and holes that you can slip them right through and just pound it in just to keep the bed in place. Get the compost and you can layer it with the compost, ash, fertilizer, potting soil, and now you are ready to plant. It is super inviting for humans and animals alike. We decided to use these for a strawberry garden. The raised bed comes up only a foot high, so it's really easy to kneel up against and get them planted, have easy access. You don't have to bend down too far. I also had to put straw over the strawberries to protect the soil and to lock in the moisture. And then when you do it to the one, do it to the next. These garden beds are so stable, accessible, and so beautiful,
And was exactly what we needed to turn this open space into a beautiful strawberry garden. And that's my point of view.